we go. Right across the universe. And they're never gonna stop. Martha, you trust me, don't you?
Of course I do.
Because it all depends on you. Martha, this watch is me.
Right, okay. Gotcha. No, hold on. Completely lost.
Those creatures are hunters. They can sniff out anyone. And me being a Time Lord, well, I'm unique. They can track me down across the whole of time and space.
Huh. And the good news is?
Smell me, they haven't seen me. And their lifespans are running out, so we hide. Wait for them to die.
But they can track us down.
That's why I've got to do it. I have to stop being a Time Lord. I'm gonna become human. Never thought I'd use this. All the times I've wondered.
What does it do?
Chameleon Arch. Rewrites my biology. Literally changes every single cell in my body. I've set it to human. Now, the TARDIS will take care of everything. Invent a life story for me, find me a setting and integrate me. Can't do the same for you. You'll just have to improvise. I should have just enough residual awareness to let you in.
But, hold on, if you're going to rewrite every single cell, isn't it going to hurt?
Oh, yeah. It hurts. It's working. Martha, before I change, here's a list of instructions for when I'm human. 1, don't let me hurt anyone. We can't have that, but you know what humans are like. 2, don't worry about the TARDIS. I'll put it on emergency power so they can't detect it. Just let it hide away. 4, no. Wait a minute. 3, no getting involved in big historical events. 4, you. Don't let me abandon you. And 5.
But there was a meteor, a shooting star. What am I supposed to do then?
And 23. If anything goes wrong, if they find us, Martha, then you know what to do. Open the watch. Everything I am is kept safe in there. Now, I've put a perception filter on it so the human me won't think anything of it. To him, it's just a watch. But don't open it unless you have to. Because once it's opened, then the family will be able to find me. It's all down to you, Martha. Your choice. Oh, and thank you.
I wish you'd